Golf to Go is brought to you by the Hagen Oaks Golf Super Shop. Here's Frank LaRosa.
That's the adjustability of the new 913 Fairway Woods from Titleist. TJ, once again, you guys hit another home run with these things, huh?
Absolutely, Frank. You know, similar to the design changes of our 913 driver line, what we sought out to do with our new 913 Fairway Woods was increase ball speed, improve launch conditions, and ultimately provide a more consistent golf club for consumers. When we look at fairway wood construction, the difference between fairway woods and drivers, or hybrids and drivers, is the fact that we don't utilize face inserts. To reposition the center of gravity within the new 913 fairway woods, we had to take weight from a different place out of the head as compared to what we did with the driver. So what we did was we went to a thinner crown design, much like we did with the driver, but we significantly changed the Hosel design of our fairway woods. In doing so, we've gone to a shorter and thinner Hosel design, which saves a significant amount of mass that we're able to reposition on the bottom of the club. Again, much like the driver, we've put that additional weight into the new geometry sure fit sole weight. And in looking at the two fairway woods here, we have two models. We have a 913F and we have a 913FD low spin. The most noticeable difference between the two is the positioning of that sole weight. Okay. The 913F is going to be a more playable model for all golfers. It will offer the most variety of shot types or shot performance through its smaller design and more rearward weight positioning. The 913FD is a slightly larger head with a more forward positioned weight, designed to produce a slightly lower trajectory and lower spin. The 913FD is going to be a good option for a player that's looking for something to either hit off the tee or to help reduce launch and spin off of the fairway.
You got it all covered. I tell you, when you guys set out to design something, and these are the new the hybrids as well.
Correct.
I'll trade you.
Thank you. The 913 hybrids probably feature the most significant cosmetic change in the 913 metals versus our previous generation 910. From a design standpoint and inspired by feedback that we've received from tour players and better amateur players, we sought to soften the curvature of the toe and sleeken the heel as it comes back into the hosel to give the golf club a more playable look or more confident look at the address position. We've also blended a little bit more offset into the hybrid head, specifically in our higher lofted models, making them more playable for the intended audience that would choose a higher lofted hybrid. From a performance standpoint, similar to the fairway woods and the driver, our goal was to increase speed with our hybrids. And in doing so, we made the same changes to the hybrid that we did to the fairway, going to the shorter, thinner Hosel design and taking that extra mass and repositioning it on the bottom of the club in the new sure fit sole weight that's flat geometry, keeping all the weight on the bottom of the club.
I just find it amazing that really design is just as much technology. I mean, it's a beautiful club, but when you talk about what went into that to make it look that way, it's a pretty amazing story.
It really is. It's amazing that our R&D folks can change so much about the golf club and still maintain a classic looking club overall.
More consistency, you're going to look like a player, you're going to play like a player. It's Titleist 913.